Neuro Linguistic Programming, or NLP, is the study of how people think, speak, and behave. It shows us how to communicate better, influence others positively, and understand human excellence. NLP was developed in the 1970s by psychologists who wanted to study successful people and understand how they behave. They looked at patterns in language, brain activity, and actions, and how these link together to form certain habits or programs. The word neuro refers to the brain and how we use our senses to understand the world. All our thoughts and actions come from how we organize these experiences. Linguistics is about the language we use both with others and ourselves. It shapes how we think, feel, and respond to situations. Programming means the habits or mental patterns we repeat, often without even realizing. These shape our behavior while we are focused on other things. NLP works by changing how we think at a deeper subconscious level. It helps adjust how we store memories, manage emotions, and view challenges. This change in thinking then changes how we feel and act. How NLP works. Communicate more clearly. Motivate yourself and others. Think more positively. Build better relationship. Take action towards your goals. Every day, your words, your actions, and even your expressions influence how you feel and how others respond to you. The key principles of NLP are simple. Know your goal before you begin. Observe carefully. Keep multiple options available when making decisions. Be flexible with your behavior. And build trust with others by creating strong connections. NLP focuses on the how people do things successfully rather than just what they do. NLP is widely used in business, coaching, education, and leadership. It is a powerful skill for anyone who wants to improve communication, manage teams, and handle complex situations. Understanding how your mind, body, and emotions connect can help you reach your personal and professional goals. To learn more, explore NLP training courses at the Knowledge Academy and subscribe for more clear and practical learning videos.